Innovative Air Solutions to us really means peace of mind. We've done business with Robert and the team down there for about 8 years, and we've had the service maintenance plan for that period of time, and we know every year, twice a year, going into the summer season and going into the winter season, that we'll see Eloy or Parker. They come down and they do a service test on our system, clean all the filters, clean all the lines, make sure everything's running right, so we don't have to worry about it. Basically, it's comfort and peace of mind that we get from Innovative Air Solutions, and in our mind, it's the best money ever spent.
If you're looking for the heating and cooling company that works for you, Innovative Air Solutions is that company, because your comfort is our business.